What's up, everyone? So today we have these two Cryolophosaurus. This is from the Primal attack, and this is a Cretaceous. So both of these two are obviously the same model, same sculpt. I believe these are Wild Wars too from a long time ago. Don't really remember anymore. These are pretty much old now. Let's check the year. It says here. Okay, it says 2019 right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, 2019. Probably the same as this as well. Yeah, exactly the same. 2019. So the reason I brought this two out, because finally we have the Wave 3 from Jurassic World Survival Crylophosaurus. Finally found it today at Target. It's the only one that's there. I was quite so happy seeing it, but I couldn't find these three creatures here. The Triceratops, Stomatosuchus, and the Metriacanthosaurus. Couldn't find them, so let's check this Crylophosaurus. Totally different now. It's a mutated Crylophosaurus, so let's open it up. Alright. I believe I'm the first one. That'll be nice. Okay, nice color. Where's the tail? Okay, the tail's inside there. Take it out. Wait. Oh gosh, there it is. Okay, it looks like a short length. It is a short length tail compared to the older variants. They're quite longer. Okay, snap. So it has a light, you can see right there. Okay, the arms are made of soft plastic, so it looks sharp, but it's not. It's still safe. You push that, it only goes up though. It doesn't go down. Yeah, no buttons. It does not go down at all, guys. Try pushing it down now. It doesn't go left and right either, just up. Yeah. So let's compare to its older variants. I think the older ones are taller. Yeah, for some reason the older ones are taller. You can see the length. This one has spikes and quills now because it is mutated. It has that. It's at least they kept the crest right here. The teeth are looking nice and sharp, but it is plastic, so it's always safe too. It's soft, but looks sharp. I like the color, looks nice. Looks like it's a real Antarctic dinosaur. Okay, let's see. When was this made? Okay, good. The year says, I don't know if you guys can see that, 2026, so it is pretty new. See their faces. Look at that, even the tail is longer. The older ones are longer. Yeah, there's a longer length. Totally new sculpt. There you go. So the older ones, you just move the tail. They start moving. Move it up and down. However, the mouth doesn't move. It's manual. You do it yourself. Yeah, same as this. Yeah, it doesn't go left and right, just up and down. Just up and down. So there you go. I was planning to get the beast of the Mesozoic Crylophosaurus, but I'm still thinking about it. So hopefully I can get that. So here we go. So here's the Wild Roar Wave 3 now. So hopefully we can find that Stomatosuchus. That's what Saffron wants too. Me and Saffron wants. We want that. We're probably gonna get 3 of those. Okay, so here's our Cryolophosaurus now. Finally we get 3. Pretty cool. Cool stuff. Okay, guys. Thank you again, guys. Thank you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join this video. Yeah, just give it a thumbs up. And yeah, have a good afternoon. Thank you, thank you. Have a good one now.